Oh, hey, what's going on there, trader? So kind of a lot's changed since I've talked to you last. I didn't get my wife exactly what she wanted for Christmas. I got a North Face instead of Lululemon. Nah, just kidding. Kind of feels like if you've been trading over November, December, the markets have been somewhat contained within the Department of Corrections, right? Well, we have been, and the good news is we just hit parole. So let's dive in and I'll show you what we're talking about. All right, so here we are. We are inside the Department of Corrections here in the NASDAQ. We're in the QQQ. So as you can see, I'm pretty well contained inside of this triangle. Okay, now this is what's been happening from November to December is we're locked inside of a triangle. And you guys read traditional technical books and they say, all right, basically you're looking for lower highs, higher lows, and at some point you trade the breakout in either direction. That doesn't help a whole bunch, man. If we want to bust out and really break out on parole and never come back, break out, then you need to know what direction we're likely to go and what the plan of escape is, right? So Elliott gives you expected duration as well as how many points there should be within the triangle before you can expect to break out of here. So it's a 5-point move. You can see them labeled with letters. It's A, B, C, D, and E. Once E is gone, we're breaking out of cell block E and we're going here, man. So that's the triangle in terms of Elliott. There's a lot of markets right now that are breaking from triangles and it's time to get on board. Let's jump into the charts. All right, guys, so we're out of the triangle and it looks like we have a breakout going on right now, okay? So the triangle is happening right here and it looks like trendline resistance is gonna break at about 113.75 here on the Qs. Now, the triangle here, you can see it's just sideways, right? It's a consolidation pattern, and that is really what you expect in fourth wave. So to be honest, not really that surprised. We saw a triangle in the fourth wave. The second wave was the reaction back here post-August crash. Okay, so that was wave 2, rally up in 3, gone in 4. Now looks like we're gonna rally up in wave 5. How far can we go? Well, you just do 3 simple fib calculations to get your upside wave 5 target. And it is, let me do my best weatherman impression. Oh, this is tough. I don't know how they do it right there. So right around like 122 to 125 is really should be upside in the Qs. So pretty big upside movement to go. I'm going to be looking to buy some out of the money call spreads, probably do some like 116, 120 call spreads in the Qs on the top side. But first, let's go over to XLY. We have a position on here. This is the Consumer Discretionary ETF. Amazon's a big component there. So Amazon rallying up there pretty well. Helping discretion as well as the Qs. So the breakout in XLY is going to happen right at around, looks to be about 70, just about 80 bucks is going to be where that downtrend resistance comes in. Upside target there in XLY is going to be this fib zone right here at around 84 bucks. We do have the trade on now. I do have some long XLY D5 77 calls, so these expire Friday. These were out of the money here for a while in this triangle. Obviously, it's kind of tough to be long premium inside of a triangle because that theta will tick away at you, but it's moving now, so I'm going to look to roll these out and probably turn this into a call spread to move up to the top side. Probably do, maybe like an 80, 84 call spread. We'll go out to February. All right, guys, so that's going to be the trade. We've broken free from consolidation. It's important to understand why you're in those departments of corrections, what you did to be locked up in there, and really what you need to do is keep a clean nose. Don't get too out of line. You are in consolidation. There's not much room to move in there. And when you do finally break free is when you can go back and have fun. All right, so I think some fun is coming, some volatility is coming, but we got to be careful of those corrections. So if you like the video, go ahead and please hit the like button. I appreciate that. It helps this goofy content rise up and allows me to have more fun and try to entertain you guys at the same time putting quality trades out there. All right, guys, good luck. See you in the next video update.